Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Adobe Acrobat clone PDF editor directly in browser using Svelte. So we are running this application on localhost, and this is a complete Svelte project. As you can, let me show you the actual source code right here. It's built using the latest version of Svelte. Svelte is a very famous framework. If you're watching it, you will definitely know. So we are using this. So if you want the full source code, I have given the link. You can directly purchase the source code. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive. So each component, as you will see, it's actually divided into various components. So everything is customizable. Once you purchase the source code, you will be able to run this application locally, and also it will be easy for you to deploy this application as well. So we are running this on localhost. So now it has started this application on localhost 5000. So it's very easy. You first of all select a PDF file that you want to edit. As soon as you select the PDF file, it will display all the 2 pages. And now we have these buttons right here. We can add text, images. So we can also, if I want to add a image, I simply select that image and then I can resize it, place it accordingly. However I want to add this, we can come to the next page, add this image. Again, as you can see how easy it is, it will save you a lot of time. Once you purchase it, you will be able to get this entirety. And then we also have the option to add text. So here you can adjust the size here, and the size here you can just see here. So it's very easy. You basically edit and then you can place it accordingly wherever you want to place it. This is the field here, as you can see, add text field. So you can place it accordingly. And then we also have the option to digitally sign just your signature, and you basically can embed this signature anywhere. After that, you simply click the save button to actually save all the changes, and then it will download the output file for you containing all the images, text, digital signature, everything. So your PDF file is successfully modified, edited. So it's a single page application. There is no backend to it. Everything is happening directly in the browser. You can directly purchase the source code, guys. It's entirely built in the Svelte framework. As you can see, we are also using Tailwind CSS as well. So the link is given in the description. Everything is customizable. It will be very easy for you to customize or add additional features on top of this. So it directly runs in the browser, as you can just see right here. And I shown you the demo, and if you face any sort of problem, you can contact me after purchase. So you will not face any problem. You will be able to run this perfectly. Just I am shown you in this video. So thank you very much for watching this.